what you have?
Everything is open.
How do I know? You should open for us. This is one of the rooms.
Yes, this is for the
Reception. First.
admission. No. This is for the. Yes, sir. We have followed the same standards.
What about the table?
And we didn't put everything because they are still cleaning.
You know that this you are supposed to put on the wall. Like, yeah. No, I'm talking about people holding the walls.
Silver rails.
This kind of rail now. Okay. This is which department of this?
There's a lab. It's like consulting book. Belongs to this section.
Okay.
Knowledge. Yeah.
This is chemotherapy.
Yes.
For the neck.
Yes.
Once at the general room.
Yeah, you always take focus on how you have followed the equipment.
The equipment.
How you dress.
How is special?
Well, what is channel boy?
Focus.
Never.
In the government house. So this has specialties like cancer. Huh?
Automatic, so this one are the offices. I don't know if that one is just office. This is
What is
Yes. We are working on.
main reception. You follow that side.
for general public?
Yes, this is like the.
Or just like this is the main reception if you come?
Yes.
Are you put it that way?
He's consulting us.
No, but
Stop possibly making it less scan with
Yes. Mm-hmm. You have to stay away from the extra. So they can avoid the electric.
Yes.
It's not a dialysis machine. It's a portable dialysis machine.
analysis.
Yes, exactly.
They will not operate, they can put stents inside the carotids.
And something now. It's like I need to
With the mansion, you're going to get some of that. And then the mansion can go. See, they are all. There's another room there, Excellency, is spare.
Yeah, you could. They come up.
This is the other room. Surgery.
Bonding, binder possibility is something which
Well, very, very key. Today is one of my happiest days. Nothing makes a man happy when you have started a program and then you accomplish it. Secondly, when you have made promises to your people and you say you didn't fulfill, you remember last year, sometimes June or July, the Minister of Health came to lay the foundation for the Dr. Odili's cancer, cardiovascular, diagnostic treatment center. And I said to Julius Berger, you must complete this project within 12 months. And that was contract signed. To the glory of God, that project, the first of this kind, a record breaking to complete such a project within 13 months is unprecedented. Not only have they completed, well equipped to the best anywhere you can find it in the world. I mean, it's amazing that we can have such projects in Nigeria. So what that tells you that with commitment, nothing is impossible for us to give to our people. So I'm happy. And you know the importance of that. So many people die because of all kinds of cancer diseases. So many people die because of all kinds of heart-related diseases. Because they have nowhere to go to. Even when it's been identified, these are areas that are very expensive in medicine. And what we've done now is at least to give our people the opportunity, not just for diagnosis, and also for treatment. That's only I give to people, but to protect and take care of their health. It's a responsibility of government. And so I'm so happy today that we can now begin to pop champagne that yes again we have delivered. Look at the 8th and 9th flyover also ready for commission. So within the first day, within the first week of November, we'll take another 2 weeks of commissioning several projects that we completed. So many ones that touch the lives of our people and have economic impact. So when people will say, while you're winding up, why would you take a rest? I say, well, I told our people on the 29th of May 2022, 2023, we will not rest. So happy. I'm very, very happy. Oh, you can see how smiling I am. Every time you have not shown sign of somebody who will be defeated. So happy, fulfilled that the promises I've made, I have fulfilled them to my people. And that is all about governance. It's all about governance. I promise that I will not abandon any project. And I promise that I'm not going to leave debt for my successor. And that's so that when it comes, you take up the clean slate. Not saying that, oh, a lot of debts, you can't run the government because of a lot of debts. I'm very clear, and it is everybody can see. That's what I've said is happening. And using Julius Berger to build such infrastructure, you know what it is. You know the financial implication of it. And they cannot also say that we have not kept our own part. Julius Berger will not work if there's no money. They have no friendship when it concerns money. They always give us money, who will do the work, and I'm happy they have done the work. First of all, those who are giving me the award, they must have gone around. I'm satisfied for what we have seen. This is one person that deserves that award. I appreciate. I'm waiting that day when the award is given. Then I wait my response. But at least I've had or received the letter by the press. And you can see the infrastructure. It's not hidden. The law school is there, the cancer center is there, the bridges are there, roads are there, schools are there, other health facilities are there. If you are able to create or build infrastructure, then you assign the state to move. Most of the one of the things that affect investors. So when they are doing infrastructure, no road, what they expect them to do. But with all these roads going to mean that look, you can go there, security is taken care of. So what is the investment of? And you can see the rating of fiscal performance. And we are rated as first. This is not only the first time 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. But rated on the best state in terms of fiscal. So I don't know how to say it, but to give God the glory and thank Him. In spite of all things,
The area where I will start is when you ask Governor Wike if he is fulfilled. This has gone beyond personal fulfillment. These legacies are eternal. They will outlive him physically. And you see, these things will speak for him forever. This is unprecedented. And I want to make clarification between having resources and doing something with the resources. You can see that these resources have been in this state before now. And when you see the body language of the crowd around us, you can tell the acceptability, the new breeze, the happiness on the faces of the people of the River State. For me, it's beyond his personal fulfillment. We must thank God for a gentleman that has transformed the state. Yesterday, when we were driving through, I said something. I said, look at the life around 12 midnight in Rivers, in Port Harcourt. We give God the glory, and our heart, our mind, we're happy to associate with this source. And that's another thing. that Dr. Odili Cancer Center is another thing. I was lost when I got in there. I was asked, is there anyone, like any other one like this in our country? Somebody answered me and said, even in West Africa. You see, that is, you can't describe that. I think, to me, he's doing enough publicity of the good things God is using him for. But people need to know what's going on inside River State. Things like this, where you have to go to India, you have to go to so many countries abroad, Germany, to find solution. The solution is very important. It's heartwarming, and we give God glory.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.